Ebusuafo mami mo bibia kwa ba enfambra GCN page so mesro na wa subscribe to my channel na wo do nsa emia bell ne so ubenya notification ene sa ne news e de betum bia ubenya bia tie anase ubenya bia hwe e wo GCN page ha medin e de adwoa sechim se ne wiase de bia ya ka no se obi nim ewie na obi nso enim ochenasem enti wo ye nipa na se wo ho na wo bobra na wa adwen daache anase wa adwen ewie se ne be ya daache bi no wani enkoyo wachi anase wani enye wo ehanhan na ade enti ameka say na ene se eye owura Psalm Adjeteyfio popularly known as TT yebeka ya taxi driver series be by na the main character na woman na ofre no TT eye ni din de Psalm Adjeteyfio ne ho nsem ene de ebro na yebeka ya na nse ne ho nsem etwegui ewo internet ne so ewo abra yare ebo na omoye ne interview obisa public no help say yembo ano na onsa no ho yare ho nsem be ye bebre ewo oman Ghana mu Ghana for the adoye eye ndenti nipa bebre ebo ano na endra yeda sorry ya video bi esanso etwegu internet ne so na yeden video a omokoye eye Psalm Adjeteyfio interview na interview ne mu ena omo bisa ne se ne dan ya owo mi feye papa ne no na titi etrese dan no enye ne dia na impremprem yo kase ekura no na ope eye 3,000 Ghana cedis de etuane rent na adofo video no ebe to internet ne so no eyade a ayare hu ye papa na Ghana fo bebre so ama comment afa ho se na se eye titi owomba nti ade nti na nemba emboa no anaso wabusuafo Ghana fo bi nso kire se Ghana yen entertainment industry no yade se ye hwe ho ye papa because kamia kwaye se wutwa sinia na ubeye pani na wo yare a chisa wo be beg public no ansa no mo aboa eyade a emboa kra na adofo yentie interview no de ekoye kakra.
I'm currently in one of the beautiful houses where you live. It's one of the houses that you built yourself.
This house is rented apartment. I'm just telling you to help me pay my rent.
You don't own this house?
I don't own it. I'm renting it. Everything else.
So this is a rented apartment?
This rented apartment.
Do you work now?
What kind of work?
Acting.
Acting, no.
What do you do now?
I don't do anything.
How do you eat? How do you get food? How do you get money?
I've become a charity case. Right now, immediately, we need 3,000 cedis. That will cover 6 months advance payment. So please, if you get something and you want to pay, you want to give me something, the number is 0559 234 834. Bawumia sardine.
Enti adofo ye na yate na asemda ewo ni se eye vice president Dr. Bawumia sesie no ode abetudwa se obetua eye 5 years rent de ama ora titi eye 30,000 Ghana cedis na anapay enya nti se eye vice president Dr. Bawumia ne maame efim eyare husem yi papa enti ebeka se on shedin na ni nyina achi kra no wa mana anya na sem ode abetudwa se obetua eye 5 years rent de ama ura Adjeteyfio aye ni jesem yi papa na eye ashamudi ni Instagram din she love stone boy ono so eba out ebeka say she's going to pay titi ni rent for the rest of his life and so Ghana for ebo na ba so yi papa say Aisha de eba ne papa onimi yi papa nti no ensem way na abetodwa say ye vice president Dr. Bawumia Ghana na ye papa otoso mienu o chese obetu 5 years rent de ama ura Psalm Adjeteyfio na chese ne ho so etumi atona aye ne jesem yi papa
so say edam ebinu wo ase hwehwe omadwum edam e wo omadwum ne yakomo mukum nipa
abranti agye atu na kopie mo court
yakomo mukum nipa omabusuafo no omuni mo omamudi omachi no a omagege omsoso medi president no omuni nipa omakum omogana etieme yeme so be gina bontene enka dabio se youth no ye ni abre o omufu so mo mabunu a ye omudi omopa omofa pentope ne anyina ho ne ehwe omo mabunu ogana ha ne ehwe omo akukudu ogana ha se ye ni obi di sia nipa first ne ya adwese wa aban mu na gentle na nkrofo bi ti office wo ya MPP appointee na to office no be gu aban no ansori ama me kasa ama me cheche semu a in the fixing the country movement no obi kan.
Okay,
I'm telling, listen, no men can okay. We are sounding this to everybody say
sure.
And sempa e wo ho say kan ema Ghana ni ba bia hu say and sempa ho yet kromo ama useless people et kromo ama aban mahama aban fun tantan we mahama aban fun tantan we ekosi Commander Sugar Factory Commander Sugar Factory ya hunu ya musa ya rasa achematen say omu ko crash sugar efra brochie ne bae receipt ni down the Ministry of Ayo Commander Sugar Factory go na journalist for bi omu pa ban we asem ni akogina ho ni aye report Commander Sugar Factory is spoiling na ye tete abam ni ete won ye hwe omu ye timi kasa encheche nyoma mu enche nkrofo mo mu hu say this is what happened under a mediocre leadership a onwere Ghana ho na ni bottom ni na fu na obedie na no me ba dia me ka cho abanya efi so 2017 Akufo-Addo ba power 2017 ni personal aid no aton Toyota Camry ama ono ano ho aka one day ni aso Akufo-Addo on no aton to abamu panifo wo mahama ho a ekoje double salary amote parliament ene Akufo-Addo abamu ye lose parliamentary seat hwentokwa no mo ku no parliament ho Adentina, those MPs, you know, they are walking free and they are talking and throwing words about. See, to memo ebe fix your mind. Ana, nyemra de dia adwuma.
Sure.
Emra na bia na. Why is it that we are allowing people to just go through a free? Ebi ni dia mahama ya no. Se mahama say yem fix your mind no a. Ya ti ase ya ni problem. Eba si dwa no a okodi ye no. Eka fixing the country no. Your mind Ghana sika one city kura and na mahama so and you lose one city kura no a. You must come and explain to us.
Okay.
He must come and explain to the people of Ghana why Oma yeda sumu 4 years. Ema okofo innocent Ghanaians ewuye mahama person cheso ojo Ghana for ho chen innocent people including my uncle me wofa nimpon na nadu asabre owi because of dumso etino ye the youth of this country ye ni no obika because kabana no ko ye omani ye ama nyinam kese anyinam kanea etwi ko nanimu a ebupra anko man Ghana nyense Akufo-Addo obreyo anyense Akufo-Addo obrey eti ye ba be busa those questions. He must tell us the youth of this country yenso ye the fixing the country movement ye pese ye ko ye nimu na aban we fix o man no. We must reflect on the future, the history of this country. They see Adamo.
Okay.
We need to ask. We need to help people accountable. We need to hold people accountable. And that is what we are going to do.
To highlight Bine.
Etino. Bine say.
Sure.
Ghana. Oh, your president. Oh, swear oath. I friend presidential oath. Mahama by Obeswebi. Now me babe read that presidential oath to the people of Ghana. Say President Mahama ebe swear presidential oath. O dia say presidential oath. Me pese me bie na Ghana ni bie hu. O dia say presidential oath. O say onu Mahama I John Dramani Mahama having been elected at the high office of the Republic of Ghana, do in the name of the Almighty swear that I will be faithful. Can you change?
Where do you for?
I will be faithful and true to the Republic of Ghana, and that I will at all times preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the Republic of Ghana. Yen fixing the country movement. You say Mahama Bedi so 4 years of being president, you know, o Ghana fontro. Oni ye nini ye as o my head there sumu 4 years. O chantro to my Ghana. O catch my Ghana say o be truthful to us. After doom so I say I promise not to promise again. Okay. Mami go to daily guide. 17th June daily guide 17th June utie